In Microsoft Teams, if we have the permissions, we can click this button to create a team. And we can choose from this list of built-in templates. And what we'll get is these channels here and these apps over here. And we want any and everyone to join our team. Let's make it public. Give it a name. And we can also rename the channels. Here's our channels. And if we choose Manage Team, we can see all the apps that came with the template. And because we've created a public team, when our colleagues log in, they can easily join our new team. If you want to know how to create a team using your mobile phone, check out the link at the end.